Welcome to the world of email marketing, a powerful tool that connects you directly with your audience right in their inbox. But what exactly is email marketing? Email marketing involves sending emails to a list of people who have signed up to hear from you. These could be updates, promotional content, and much more, all aimed at engaging your audience. One of the biggest uses of email marketing is promoting products or services. Imagine sending a special discount directly to your customers' inboxes. It's an instant boost to your sales. But it's not just about sales. Email marketing helps build lasting relationships. Regular newsletters can keep your customers informed and engaged, turning one-time buyers into loyal fans. Emails are also great for driving traffic to your website. With just one click, customers can go from reading your email to engaging with your content, increasing your site's activity and relevance. And let's not forget feedback. Email marketing can be a two-way street, allowing you to gather valuable insights directly from your customers through surveys and feedback forms. With modern tools, you can personalize your campaigns by segmenting your audience based on their preferences and behaviors, making your emails even more relevant and effective. Whether it's boosting sales, building connections, or gathering insights, email marketing is an essential tool for any business looking to grow and engage their audience. Ready to start your email marketing journey? Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.